This is from someone inside our community who once thought that she wasn't techy enough to start earning in dollars. And now they say, mommy, say that if you put in the work, results follow, and that's 100% true. This wins, my friends. It's not random. This is the result of following a step-by-step blueprint that's built for beginners like me and you. The same blueprint that took me from being a stressed-out stay-at-home mommy to a stay-at-home mommy, start earning in dollars, and replace my husband's overtime with my 2-hour workday. You don't need to create a product. You don't need any a background in marketing or a degree. You just need 2 hours a day and the right guidance. So in my program, we show you exactly how to attract a daily customers. We give you a done-for-you offers, and we show you how to earn while you are learning. So if you want to know, my friend, know more about a blueprint that I follow for the past 18 months now, put a word ready in my comments and let me equip you with the details.